अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज़ दुबई से और मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट निदा राना। इस वक्त मौजूद हैं बीन मुस्कान के इवेंट में। ज़बरदस्त इवेंट हो रहा है। हमारे साथ श्रीलंका से कपल मौजूद हैं जिसको बिजनेस लीडरशिप पर अवार्ड से नवाजा गया है। पूछते हैं इनकी सक्सेस के बारे में। हाय, हाउ आर यू सर?
All good, thank you.
सर, how do you feel about this event?
Words cannot express how can I thankful I am to receive this award. Actually, I am extremely grateful and honored to receive this award. Thank you so much recognizing my effort, and I would like to thank Dubai and United Arab Emirates and Bin Muskan Events and my loving mother, loving father, and loving brother, and loving sister, and my loving beautiful wife, and my all relations and all friends in worldwide, and my beautiful country Sri Lanka, all its beautiful people. Thank you so much. Actually, I couldn't have achieved this victory without their incredible support. So especially my teams, Skywing Holdings and Bamora Events, Bamora Productions, and Coral Perfumes, Coral Aroma. Thank you so much. Your faith in me is my greatest strength, and this award, this award encouraged me to strive excellence. Thank you so much.
Sir, introduce yourself.
I'm Amila Prasad Bandara from Sri Lanka. So I received this award, Best Revenue Growth Business Transformation Leadership Award 2025 Gulf Achievers. Thank you so much.
What is the message of Pak News viewers?
Pak News viewers always provide news because that is very nice and amazing. You can get many more things. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All the
Thank you
best.
so much.
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज।